Hi, my name's Evan Burbridge. I think I started a little over a year ago.
My name is Dave George. I've been at the museum for 10 years.
Went through the training last spring, I think it was.
I started as an operator, and now I am also an instructor, a dispatcher, and I'm involved with the education department.
I've always been interested in streetcars. I grew up near Los Angeles and was always into the Pacific Electric Railway.
My father, after World War II, went to work for Pittsburgh Railways, and he initially ran the interurban lines to Washington, PA, and Charleroi. I frequently, when I came home from school, I would ride with him out the library in Drake, and when nobody was on the car, I would operate.
How old were you when you were doing that?
As soon as my feet could reach the pedals.
Hi, I'm Louie. I'm one of the youth volunteers here. I've replicated one of the signs we used to use on our fan trips, the West Penn 832 car. If you look at some of the pictures from our fan trips, they put this in the ad card side.
I came to the museum at a young age, but I hadn't been there for years, and I knew somebody told me about the Operator for an Hour program. So I did that, and like 3 years later I retired, and I immediately took the training to become an operator.
This is like cabinet backing, which I cut with a jigsaw, and then painted it and used a stencil to spray on the white letters. The sign goes on the ad card side. Normally the destinations would cover where it says special. It just slides in right like that.
The museum has changed dramatically, especially in this past year. Volunteer Boulevard is already starting to open, and by the end of this year it's going to be like a whole new museum, and it's exciting.